Today, we'll walk through the human approval node, starting with its core function. We'll then explore its configuration across 3 tabs. Basic, where you define the reviewer's prompt. Options, for selecting input types like simple approve reject, custom choices, or free text replies. And Advanced, which covers timeout settings. Finally, we'll examine the outputs available to downstream nodes after a human decision. This demonstration will showcase the human approval node in action, highlighting its key features. We'll cover how to set up a basic prompt, explore the various input options including simple approval, custom choices, and free text responses, and configure timeout settings for efficient workflow management. The human approval node is a crucial logic and control element, visually represented by its purple color and a person icon, clearly indicating human involvement. It features a single input for upstream data and 2 distinct outputs, a green path for approved actions and a red path for rejected or timed out decisions. This design ensures the workflow proceeds appropriately based on human input, providing a clear decision point. The Basic tab focuses on the approval prompt, the essential text displayed to the reviewer on their pending work card. While a generic default exists, it's highly recommended to customize this prompt for clarity and efficiency. Specific prompts, such as review this drafted contract or approve this $5,000 discount, lead to faster and more informed decisions. A preview banner also shows exactly what the reviewer will see, including any timeout information. Within the Options tab, the primary choice is the input type, determining how reviewers interact. The default is approval, offering a straightforward to button approve or reject decision. Crucially, enabling show data to user displays relevant workflow data, like an email body or contact details, directly on the review card. Additionally, allow data modification empowers reviewers to edit fields before approving, transforming the process from a simple confirmation into a collaborative step where adjustments can be made. Switching the input type to custom options allows you to define a tailored list of choices for the reviewer. Beyond the default approve and reject, you can add options like revise or escalate, each creating a unique downstream path. Options can be static, defined directly, or dynamic, pulled from upstream data, ideal for selecting among multiple drafts. You can also choose between vertical list or horizontal card layouts and enable multiple selections for more complex decisions, offering flexibility beyond a simple yes or no. The free text input option provides a simple text box, allowing reviewers to type any response without predefined choices. Their input is captured as a variable, accessible to downstream nodes, making it ideal for open-ended questions like what should the customer's discount be? Or write the reply you want sent. This mode fosters collaboration when specific answers cannot be anticipated, and like other input types, show data and allow modification settings remain applicable. The Advanced tab primarily manages the timeout setting, defining how long the workflow waits for a human response. The default is 5 minutes, configurable up to an hour, or set to 0 for no timeout. Crucially, if a timeout occurs, the workflow automatically proceeds down the rejected output path, accompanied by a timeout error. Therefore, it's vital to configure your rejected path to effectively handle both explicit rejections and these automated timeouts, often by sending a not proceeded notification. After a human decision, the human approval node provides several key outputs for downstream processing. The selected underscore option variable captures the exact choice made by the reviewer, such as approve or revise, enabling precise branching logic. If free text mode was used, user underscore input contains the reviewer's typed response. The approval underscore status offers a high-level status like approved or timeout, providing a standardized vocabulary for workflow conditions. Additionally, selected underscore original underscore data carries the full data object when dynamic options are utilized. That concludes our look at human approval. Remember, it pauses workflows for human input, offers 3 distinct input types, and routes decisions through approved or rejected paths. This ensures critical human oversight where it's needed most.